Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify property management companies with NARPM, full guide step by step clearly. To verify property management companies with NARPM, follow these steps. Begin by visiting the official NARPM website. Look for the Find a Member option on the home page. Click on that option to access the member directory. Enter the name of the property management company you wish to verify. If you do not have the exact name, you can also search by location. Review the search results for the company in question. Click on the company name to view detailed information. Check to see if the company is listed as a member of NARPM. Take note of any certifications or designations listed for the company. These can indicate the level of professionalism and expertise. Contact the company directly if you have any questions about their membership. Inquire about their specific services and management practices. Ask about their experience managing properties similar to yours. Confirm their policies on maintenance and tenant relations. Evaluate their response time and customer service during your communication. After gathering information, consider checking online reviews. Look for feedback from current and past clients. This can provide insight into the company's reputation. Ensure to verify any certifications or licenses the company claims to hold. Conduct additional research on local regulatory requirements for property management. Finally, make an informed decision based on the information gathered. Knowing how to verify property management companies using NARPM ensures you choose a qualified partner. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.